Hello and welcome to the Advanced CELPIP Preparation course. My name is Amardeep Singh and I am going to be your instructor in this course. In this course, you are going to get access to our portal where you will be getting 105 practice tests. Well, these are not YouTube tests, these are not PDF based tests, these are computerized tests just like the main exam. Let me show you how you are going to get these. Once you have logged in, you will get the default interface like this. You need to go to test tab to take a particular test. Here you will get all the tests. Like in mock tab you have 5 mocks, and in listening you have 25 listening tests, in reading you have 25 reading tests, likewise 25 writing, and then 25 speaking. And how you are going to get these tests? Just like the main exam. To take a test you have to click on take test. Let's say if I jump to, let's say, test number 12, and then your test will start. It will ask you whether you want it in practice mode or in exam mode. Let's say if I jump onto your official format, so your test will start. First you have the instructions just like the main exam, then you have the practice question, then after that the main thing like your passages and questions just like the official exam. On the left you have the passage, on the right you have the questions. Likewise you have second part, reading to apply a diagram, then the third part, reading for information, and finally the fourth part, reading for viewpoints. Once you have taken a test, okay, you have to go to test history to analyze it, to check your score and correct and incorrect answers. Okay, you get listening and reading scores immediately, but for writing, speaking and complete mock test you have to wait for 4 to 5 hours. Okay, in addition to this you will also get access to expert video lectures where we have taught everything in detail. Okay, overall validity of everything will be 6 months. To enroll, visit our website, link is there in the description section, fourthmasterdesigns.com/CELPIP test, and scroll down to the sign up section. Indian students can pay through UPI or they can click on this link, and international students can pay through PayPal, they can click on this link. So I hope you have got the idea what you are getting in this course. 105 computerized tests, expert video lectures, and 6 months validity. For everything you have to pay only $20. So that's all guys, thank you very much.